Good morning, children. Let us continue with today's class. Last class we have studied about Roman numerals and what are the rules for writing a Roman numeral. How do you write Roman numerals? Using 7 symbols. What are they? 1, V, X, L, C, D, M. M or K. Both are same. And there are some rules. What are the rules says? If we cannot repeat a digit maximum up to 3 times. Maximum we can repeat by 3 times. Okay. 4th times we can't repeat it. Okay, isn't it? And from the 7 symbols, among these 7, 3 of them cannot be repeated. Which are they? They are V, L and D. Okay. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Isn't it? Then we studied some other rules. If the numbers are small number is on the right of big number, then we can add them. Okay. But when a small number is on the left of big number, we have to subtract. And a small number is in between two great numbers, from where we need to subtract? We need to subtract the small one from the right of the greater number. Isn't it? Then we have studied. Now we are going to study about convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. For example, first one is given as XXV111 given. So the order, you go through the order first. All these are on big to small. So there is no change. What you have to do? Add the value of each symbol one by one. That is 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 28 for us. Similarly, LXXV. Same as previous one. Big to small. No change. Add the values. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 equal to how much? 75. Similarly, XC11. But see, X is small and C is big. And the smaller value is on the left side of greater value. So what we have to do? Subtraction. From where to where? Small number from big number. 100 minus 10 plus 2 has no change. Okay. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 2 is 92 for us. Next one. XC1X. See the order. Small, big. Small, big. So what you have to do? Subtraction in both cases. This is 100 minus 10. This is 10 minus 1. So 99 for us. Okay. Then next one. CCXX1X. After this, there is no change, goes to the order. And the order is reversed in the last 2 digits. Isn't it? So first 4 digits directly you add. 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10. No doubt. But here there is a reverse order. Subtraction. 10 minus 1. So how much you have? 229. Next one. XCV1. XC again order is little bit change. Small, big. So not possible. So what we do? Subtraction. So 90 and this is 5 plus 1. So what is the answer for us? 96. 4 questions remaining to you as homework. Okay. Teacher will send you the numbers. Then go through the numbers and complete it. Okay. Next, let us move to the last question. The last question is actually fill in the blanks. So if you want, you can fill it in your textbook itself. But those who are writing in textbook want to use pencil only. Don't use pen for writing or filling the blanks in your textbook. Because if any mistake happens, we can't rub it easily. Okay. Then again you have to rewrite and everything will be a problem. Okay. So what you have to do? Those who are filling the blanks, those who are doing the fill in the blanks in your textbook, try to keep a pencil with you. Okay. And send me the same. And after teacher is telling if all the answers are correct, those who want you can change with pen or leave it. Clear? So let us start. 9th question. Fill in the blanks. 7 into 7 given. See, product is not given. What they asked you is, you have to remember the multiplication table. You have to remember the multiplication table. So, what is 7 into 7? 49 for us. Then how do you write 49 as a Roman numeral? They asked you the product as a Roman numeral. Product we got it now 49. So how do we write 40 plus 9? We can split into 40 plus 9. 40 how do you write? XL. And 9 how do you write? 1x. Finish. Next one 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. Understood to us, isn't it? Equal to 20 plus 8. 20 how do you write? X. 8 how do you write? V. 1, 1, 1. 3 ones and V. Isn't it? Then 6 into 8. What is 6 into 8? 6 8s are 48. 48 how do you split? 40 plus 8. 40 plus 8 how do you write? 40 as XL. 8 how do you write? Same as previous one. V and 3 ones. Okay, go through the same. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the same. And there will be 2 lessons for your first periodic examination also. So those who have any doubt in any topic or any chapter, you can send me the same personally. Personally, you can send me the same. Okay, whatever be the question, or you can ask any doubt if you. Okay. Then next we are moving to our application books. Okay, thank you.